And I'm going to say, let's go with Control R, scroll the center wheel, and just place these vertices right here. Maybe put some more vertices at the top, some just here. Just vary the vertices on this side, because what we're going to do, we're going to sculpt this top bit. So to sculpt this top bit, what we're going to do is we're going to go to sculpt mode. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to build up some little bits, and I'm also going to put down some little bits as well. So we're going to make it look like it's melted in parts, essentially. Or it's been damaged in parts at least. So maybe we could just pull little bits. Just make it basically rough. That's all we're doing really. Add little bits, bumps, all that kind of stuff. Little imperfections. And what we can do as well, we can actually draw on this. So we can actually bulge this bit out maybe. A little bit of damage at the bottom here. Maybe it wasn't set properly. Maybe it got melted by all the candles or the sun or something like that. Just make it a little bit more imperfections. And what we can do here is we can just pull little bits. Maybe someone dropped it at one point. Make some little ridges. Whatever you'd like to put onto it, just put onto it. And what I'm also going to do is we're going to add a few little drips going down as well. Just at the sides. So we can go blob. We can start to pull some of these out. Let's go with strength actually. Just increase the strength on this just a little bit. Kind of make it look a little bit mangled at the top. And we could go ahead and just add some little more imperfections right here at the side. Okay, so once we've got this, we're going to go ahead and add the wick. So the wick itself